A 1, 2, 3, 4. I love succulents and you do too. They're so beautiful, fun and new. The gift that keeps on giving on and on. So watch my videos, we'll all have fun. Okay guys, I am right now checking on the Koreans. And I checked these two. I just saw like red roots coming out. So I added some on my soil and added red on top, and they were here. I don't want to dig it back up, but it's there. Then I looked here, and same thing. There's like tiny little roots. So I added some soil, and after I did that, I watered it. I just watered around it, not directly on the roots, because we don't want to shock the baby. We don't want to shock it. So because this is good, good draining soil, and then there's little soil in there, and the whatever you call this, I forget. These white things. Oh my gosh, I'll get the name for you. It's what is it? Anyway, so I saw roots coming out, so I just added some more of the soil mixture on it, and then just watered around the perimeter, not directly, because the sun's shining. I don't know what it's gonna do. It's doing really good. And then so I went over here, and I'll show you this guy right here has roots. There you go, the white stuff right there. So I'm just gonna repack it in like this. And then I'm gonna do the same thing. See how it's puckering up? It's like protecting itself because it's not getting any water. That's why I was just spritzing water on all of them. But because if you feel it, they're still pretty tight and plump. So I'm not going to shock it by, I'm going to put some more soil around it just in case, like the mixture, but I'm not going to shock it because you never know. It's already trying to protect itself, so which means that we don't want to shock it even worse, because that's how it leads to death. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to water just around the perimeter, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna do this for about 2 weeks. And the good thing about it too is that it's terracotta pot, which means that it's not gonna hold any water either. See how fast that drained? This is the Echeveria September. Just a little bit like that. And I'm going to do that for about 2 weeks until the roots are nice and strong. And then I'm going to do a regular watering, especially when it starts getting really warmer. It's not going to get warmer until it's probably going to rain again. But see how it just drained out like that. So just make sure that, let's see this one. Let's see if this one has roots. And this one doesn't have roots yet. It's still the dry, see? So I'm not gonna, for that one, I'm just gonna spritz with water. Keep doing the same thing I've been doing before. See, even though these all came together, it doesn't mean that they're all gonna produce roots together, I mean, that's just kind of common sense. So I'm gonna put that aside. That one has roots. See, the baby roots coming out. Okay, so that one's okay to water as well. So I'm just going to check every single one of them and report back to you. Over and out. On this other side, I'm going to replant that. So here I have this Lola, it was already like falling down because there was so much rain that it kind of, you know, made this like it rotted it out some parts of the leaf or the stem. So what I did was I cut it, and I took some leaves off of the bottom right there. See that red stuff, that red thing right there? That's a root. So I can actually cut all the way to there. Let that heal. This already has a root, a baby root. See the baby root right there. And I see something there too. Okay, but I think I'm gonna cut it to where just where it's already black right here. It's already dried up anyway. So that's how you behead the Lola. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it rest. Okay, so here I wanna show you guys real quick that when your plant is bigger, see this plant is bigger than the pot. It means it's root bound. If you don't repot it, it's just gonna die. It's just gonna get big, and then die because it has nowhere else. The roots has nowhere else to go. So the best thing to do, especially when you have pops right here already, you need to repot this or plant it in ground. And then I have this one. I forget what the name of this plant is. I think this is a Monaloa. See here, this plant right here was huge, and then I guess it didn't really like all that rain, so it kind of, you know, dropped all the leaves, and then it was so cold. But I left it in my garage for, I mean, this is already going on 3 weeks. It still hasn't put out any roots, but it's still growing. So as soon as I get roots here, I should probably cut it all the way right here. But I'm gonna wait until this dies off, because then I have enough stem. But I'm just gonna leave it the way it is right now. I'm not gonna put it out in the sun because you know, it likes being in the shade, and my garage is kind of dark, so I can put it somewhere where you know, it's just going to get a little bit of sun. But anyway, I'm gonna use my grow lights in here anyway in my garage, because I'm gonna start planting my vegetables from seeds, so it's going to get enough of the ultraviolet rays. But yeah, see it, I see it now. This is the Monaloa, I believe. It's from Frankie. Thanks, Frankie. I'm not trying to kill your plants, just all this rain has just gotten the plants all messed up. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this holy gate is just throw it in my, what do you call that, recovery room, recovery garden. But see, this one is so beautiful. Look at it. You know, I'm going to cut that like that. I don't have my clippers right here, but it's so beautiful. It's still tight, which means it was getting enough light, it was getting enough sunlight, even in the winter time. So that's gonna be a beautiful one.